In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a file from WhatsApp to Google Drive. It's a simple process, and you can do it directly from your phone without needing a computer. I'll walk you through each step in detail, so you can make sure your files are safely backed up, easy to access, and organized for future use. Whether it's a document, photo, video, or any other type of file, you'll be able to upload it quickly and securely. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and navigate to the chat that contains the file you want to upload. This could be a file someone sent you, or something you sent to yourself or a group. WhatsApp supports a wide variety of file types, including PDFs, Word documents, images, videos, and even compressed zip files. Once you've found the file, tap on it to open it or preview it, so you can confirm it's the correct one. Next, look for the share icon, which usually looks like an arrow pointing upward or outward depending on your device. Tap on it, and a menu will appear with several options for sharing the file. From this menu, select Save to Drive or Upload to Google Drive, depending on your phone and the version of WhatsApp you are using. If you don't see the option immediately, you may need to tap Share Via first, and then choose Google Drive from the list of apps. This ensures that you're sending the file directly to your cloud storage instead of saving it to your phone or sharing it elsewhere. Once you select Google Drive, you'll be taken to the Upload screen. Here, you can choose the Google account you want to upload the file to, which is especially useful if you have multiple accounts for work, school, or personal use. You will also have the option to rename the file before uploading it, which is a great way to keep your files organized and easy to find later. Additionally, you can select the specific folder within Google Drive where you want to save the file. Organizing files in folders helps prevent clutter and makes it easier to locate them when you need them. After selecting the account, folder, and optionally renaming your file, tap Save or Upload. The file will start uploading to Google Drive, and the time it takes will depend on the size of the file and the speed of your internet connection. For smaller files like documents or images, it can take just a few seconds, while larger videos or compressed files may take a few minutes. Once the upload is complete, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your file is safely stored in Google Drive. To double-check, open your Google Drive app, navigate to the folder where you saved the file, and confirm that it's there. Now you can access it from any device with Google Drive installed, share it with friends, colleagues, or family members, and organize it alongside your other files. This method is perfect for backing up important WhatsApp files without taking up storage space on your phone, and it also gives you easy access no matter where you are. By the way, if you want to keep your files safe while uploading over public or shared Wi-Fi, I highly recommend using NordVPN. It encrypts your connection, protecting your data from hackers and snoopers, and gives you peace of mind whenever you're uploading important files. You can find a link to NordVPN in the description below this video.